Apply your favorite OPI gel color base coat and cure for 30 seconds in the OPI Starlight. Apply a sheer shade like Baby Take a Vow and cure. Using Exercise Your Brights, create a long S-shaped swoosh. With the Unapologetic, create another swoosh. Apply it under the first swoosh and up and over. Repeat with Feel Beautiful and make sure you're flash curing in between each shade. Create the last swoosh with Don't Wait, Create and give that a full 30-second cure. Finish off with a coat of Stay Shiny top coat and cure for 30 seconds in the OPI Starlight. Cleanse off the inhibition layer with an extra protection lint-free wipe saturated with NAS 99. And there you have it, a fun, summery, swooshy nail art look.